Yes, I fried these hamburgers, but that's not even the craziest part. I added in a special ingredient to try to take these burgers to the next level. Did it work? Well, we're gonna find out together. Now, at first glance, these might seem like regular burgers, but they have something extra added into them, Braten Extra, which I believe is some kind of gravy. It is made by Knorr, and they are known for their sauces. So what I did with this gravy was I mixed it into the patties, and we're gonna see how this turns out. I am curious. Go ahead and take some oil of your choice. Here I'm using avocado on medium-high heat. Go ahead and wait till the pan is heated, and then add your patties in. Yes, that's going to fry up. We are sort of deep frying these. I guess shallow frying. At any rate, go ahead and turn that patty over after a couple of minutes, and whoa, that sounds like some thunderous applause, and you'll be applauding after you eat this burger. So go ahead, once you got it turned over, go ahead and fry that for a few more minutes, and then take 2 slices of American cheese, and you're going to do a very crazy thing. And you can see here, I'm actually basting these slices of cheese because I want that cheese to be nice and melty. And yes, the oil is going to fly all over the place. That is the price to pay for an experiment which may or may not turn out delicious. I think it's going to be delicious, and hopefully it is for you. Once it's all melty, go ahead and place that on a toasted bun and place that hamburger on a plate. Dollop it with a simple sauce. This is just mayo, mustard, and ketchup. Dollop as much as you like, and place your top bun on the hamburger, and voila. Now, is this big beefy boy of an experiment all worth it? Well, can't wait to get this into my gullet.
All right, did my experiment pay off? I don't know, we'll see. Oh, that's a juicy burger. Wow, that's really good. I mean, wow. Putting that Knorr sauce, powdered gravy stuff into the burger, I think it made it extra juicier. I haven't looked at the ingredients in that Knorr powder concoction. I don't know, maybe there's some gelatin in there or something? I don't know, that thing just exploded. It's really good, but if you're not in a mood to clean up a mess after eating your burger, you might just want to stick to the traditional method. But if you want to try this out, it does make a tasty burger. That being said, it's a delicious burger, and you can kind of take a look at it there. That's the kind of the mess that it made on the plate. But yeah, is it worth the experiment? I think so. It made a delicious burger, really juicy. But hey, if that's the thing you're into, I say go for it, give it a shot, try it out. Food experiments are the best experiments, especially when you don't mess things up. Anyhow, give it a shot and let me know what you think. Until next time, YFP out.